Opening Grandma's gift.
Yay. What is it? Oh. Thank you.
Can you open it? Hey, Simi, can you open it over here? So I can get it.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Fuck.
Wow. That is so cool.
I'm gonna open it. That's cool.
And here's our beautiful gifts over here. Our beautiful tray and
Open it.
drawing
I can't open it.
of the apple crate, which we love. Thank you so much. And my beautiful scarf, which I assume is for me and not Willis. So thank you. Okay, let's open it. Let's see here. You know what? It's a fire car, I think.
Fire car.
Ouch, hon. You're on my foot.
Hey, Simeon, can you look at the camera and say, Merry Christmas, Grandma and Grandpa?
Look at Dad.
Miss Grandpa.
Grandma and Papa.
Grandma and Papa.
You say, thank you for the truck.
Thank you. Where's the truck?
Give him a smile, hon.
Smile over here. There you go.